If I say, don't think about a pink elephant, what's the first thing that comes to your mind? Exactly. A pink elephant. That's reverse psychology in action. What reverse psychology really is? Reverse psychology isn't magic. And it's not manipulation either, at least not always. It's based on a simple human truth. People hate being told what to do. The moment someone feels controlled, their brain goes into rebellion mode. Instead of agreeing, they resist. Even if the advice is good, smart people don't fight this reaction, they work with it. Why the human brain resists direct control. Here's the key idea. Humans crave autonomy. We want to feel like we chose something on our own. So when you push directly and say, do this, buy this, agree with me, the brain pushes back. But when you pull away slightly, the brain leans forward. Here's a simple real-life example. You tell someone, watch this movie, it's amazing. They delay it for weeks, but the moment you say, it's not for everyone, you might not like it. Suddenly they're curious. They ask, why? What's wrong with it? Now it's their decision, not yours. How reverse psychology works in marketing and content? The same thing happens in marketing and content. That's why lines like, not everyone can handle this truth, or this isn't for lazy people, or most people will ignore this, perform so well. Because now it's not advice, it's a challenge, and humans love proving themselves. When reverse psychology fails, here's an important reality check. It fails when the person doesn't care at all. It fails when the stakes are too high. It fails when you overuse it. And it fails when you sound fake or obvious. If you keep saying, I don't care if you buy it, people will sense the manipulation immediately. Subtlety matters. When reverse psychology works best, reverse psychology works best when the decision is low pressure, when the person already has some interest, when ego or identity is involved, and when freedom of choice feels real. It's a nudge, not a shove. How creators and businesses use it. Instead of saying, follow me for more tips, they say, honestly, don't follow unless you're serious about improving. Now the viewer thinks, wait, am I serious? And they follow. Same action, different psychology. There's also an ethical line you shouldn't cross. If reverse psychology helps someone discover something useful, that's fine. If it tricks people into bad decisions, that's manipulation. Use it to invite, not deceive. So remember this. People resist control. People crave choice. Pull works better than push. And subtle beats obvious. Reverse psychology works because it lets people feel smart, not pressured. Now don't try this everywhere. Most people won't even use this correctly. But if you understand how human behavior actually works, you'll start seeing persuasion everywhere. Subscribe the brain map or don't. Your choice.